In this lecture, we'll explore how to enhance a map by adding a vector tile layer. Vector tile layers allow us to display detailed geographic data as vector tiles, which are scalable and can be styled dynamically. By the end of this session, we'll be exploring key concepts, definitions, and usage of terms such as vector tile layer, base map, and API key. 4. Implementing the code, step-by-step instructions for adding the vector tile layer. Step-by-step implementation guide. Step 1. Setting up the project in Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new HTML file. Call it vector tile layer. Now let's start by writing a normal HTML code. And this code contains a container where the map will be displayed. So we define a div element with the ID view div, which will serve as the container for our map. We also include the necessary ArcGIS CSS and JavaScript APIs in the head and body text. Add the ArcGIS API for JavaScript libraries and import required modules. We use the require function to import essential, and the effect of the vector tile layer appeared. Oh my, very excellent. Conclusion. By integrating a vector tile layer, we've enhanced our map's capability to display detailed, scalable data efficiently. This setup is especially useful for high-detail applications, where parcel and boundary data can provide valuable insights. Evaluation. How well do you expand the map's interactivity by adding filtering options, enabling users to refine data display based on specific criteria? This feature will make our map even more powerful for data exploration.